Signals, the next kernel object of the RTOS. Signals can be passed to indicate an event. However, many RTOS do not support it, then their use the discouraged. Again, the shell command, the signal are sent to the kill a process. Consider the following commands: kill 9879. This is a command to send the signal to process with the process ID of a 879. When the signal is received, the process is terminated. That means the signals are used to the trigger execution states between the threads. The signal management function in CMSIS RTOS allow you the control or wait for the signal flags. Each thread has the 31 assigned signal flags. The maximum numbers of the signal flags is defined in the CMOSIS files. That is the a thread can be wait for the signal to be set using the function enters the waiting state. The parameter signal defines the signals that are required to put the thread back into the ready state. May set one or more flag in any other given thread using the signal set. May clear its own signals or signals of the other threads. When a thread wake up and resume the execution, its signals flags are automatically cleared. The CMSIS RTOS API supports a variable numbers of the signals flags. This is defined specifies the number of the signal flags available per thread. The maximum value is the 32 signal flags per thread. Then next, the return of the signal. Previous signal flags of the specified thread in case of the incorrect parameters or the call from the ISR. Signal management function. The function calls to manage a signal are the install a signal handler, remove and thus installed signal handler, send a signal to another task, block a signal from beginning delivered, unlock a blocked signal, ignore a signal. Signal is a kernel object to indicate the occurrence of an event to the task. The use of the signal is generally discouraged.